Welcome to the introduction to my course on artificial intelligence. We will talk about biological brain and intelligent machines. I will show you what is artificial intelligence and how intelligent machine works in several disciplines. But first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm an engineer, bioinformatics, and PhD in computer science, and of course, I'm your professor in this course. I deal with cognitive science with a specific focus on artificial intelligence, but also virtual reality and machine learning. I'm a member of the Italian Society of Engineering and of SIREN, Italian Neural Network Society, also of the Japan Society of Kansei Engineering about emotional engineering. I have a research group on artificial intelligence that is focused on machine-machine, brain-machine, and interpersonal communication mediated by technology. It means that it is a sort of telepathy, message exchange mediated by technology. The interests of this group are AI, specifically machine learning methods such as artificial neural networks, but also support vector machines, ABMS, agent-based model system we use to model our reality for experimental purposes, brain-computer interface, BCI, allowing people to interact with their brain with a computer, and also transcranial magnetic stimulation devices inducing modification in our brain in response to stimuli or sort of experimental interaction with brain-computer interface. We also use in our research virtual reality in AI and the entertainment field in ICT, and of course chatbots and robotics. But let me ask a question. Why philosophy students should attend a course on artificial intelligence? I think that it is mainly for three reasons. For personal interest for the subject, because I think it's important that you think and observe a world around us and a modification induced by AI and ICT in general. Also for academic interest, think about experimental philosophy. You could see that in the video we are going to watch together. For academic research, for debates. Last but not least, for your future job. As from a research made by Accenture, many new jobs from AI are arising. Think about human behaviors analysis or inference, ethics, empathy. I named cognitive science. It's important, in my opinion, that we underline the links between cognitive science and artificial intelligence. What is cognitive science? We will talk extensively about this in next lessons, but in the meantime, I invite you to watch the video. I post a link on this page. It's a short video, just an introduction. Also, the comments under the video are important to read, and we will discuss it together. The first thing I would like to show you is that there are many misconceptions about AI. Many people think that it is just machine learning or just robotics or automating machines. It's not. These are just part of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is more than this. It's about studying humans to replicate some behaviors or their thinking functions. Why? Because it's important to understand how humans think and act to translate our feature in a machine. Because AI, in my view, is about building a flexible and functional product made by mixing machines' abilities and human being characteristics. So this is the course outline. We will have a gentle introduction to the subject. We will talk about the different approaches in AI and the fundamentals, philosophy, history. We will compare the so-called GoFi with the modern AI and talk about ethical issues. Of course, we will talk about Turing and his test and chatbots. I will introduce you to brain-computer interface, and we will focus on machine learning methods such supervector machines, artificial neural networks, and the frontiers. If there is any questions, you can ask me at the end of this short presentation. In the meantime, I have a homework for you. I would like you to find out on the internet who was Federico Faggin and why current AI, but in general ICT, should thank him. So see you next time. I'm here for your questions, and you can find all the material on our e-learning platform, Ariel.